The shot.
Look what's risen out the bad patch. Shell crack, be the last of the batch to hatch. I'm here to blaze with my last bag and last match. Feel the fade, then I have to get my bags packed. I'm out for days, on my way in 1,000 past. There's no way to count up years with an hourglass, so I don't ever watch the clock while the hours pass. I'm busy chiseling this rock, flipping knots of cash. 2 pounds of grass and a couple different blocks of hash. A home studio, a couch, and a spot to crash. And I'll be digging in the mountain where the fountain's at. You think you found it, but I'm bound to bring the power back.